Okay, so when you feel like a pasta, you want to go a little healthier route, even avoiding your wheats altogether, then I recommend a spaghetti squash. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this in half and seed it out, and then we're going to place it cut side down in whatever piece of cookware you have that fits. So we've cut it in half, and now we're going to take out the seeds. So I've just finished scooping out the seeds, and then I'm going to put it cut side down in my large skillet using the mega skillet. And because the cut side is down against the bottom of the cookware and you've got this very thick peel, there's not going to be adequate moisture that's going to rise up to the lid to give us the ability to get the cooking going on its own. So depending on the size of the spaghetti squash will probably determine how long it is before it's ready to be turned down and how long you let it bake. But the main thing is that it saves a lot of time and energy being able to do this on your stovetop instead of in your hot oven, especially when the summer is here. So we're going to see how this comes out. Check it out. We're going to do our 1-2 ouch test to see if we feel some heat. Once you feel enough heat to make you go, oh yeah, that's hot, then you're going to spin the lid, and that's going to help force any moisture down. If it doesn't click, go ahead and assume it's the right temperature, lower it to a lower temperature, and then just let it go. And this will bake on top of your stove without having the oven on for so long, and it makes a wonderful spaghetti substitute for your sauce. So for this big one here, we let it go about 15 to 20 minutes or so, and I did the 1-2 ouch test, turned it down, spun the lid, didn't really click, turned it down, and it's been going about 20 minutes. So let's take a look here. So we'll take it out, and we'll take a big old spoon and see how it turns into like a really nice spaghetti here. Just scrape it loose, it's hot. So there we go. We just keep going. We scraped it out, and here is the results. All it needs now is some meatballs and sauce. So this is just a wonderful substitute. It actually looks like spaghetti, and what I love about it is it has a great texture and a really nice sweetness. I find that actually our spaghetti dishes are so much more enjoyable using spaghetti squash. So enjoy it.